Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Windows 8. One has recent updates. This ensures dependency frameworks are present. Once done, download the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages for 2015 through 2019. Choose x86 for 32-bit apps and x64 for 64-bit apps. Make a system restore point and temporarily disable antivirus to avoid blocked installs. Doing these steps first reduces conflict and lets the installer register runtime files properly, which is why we avoid jumping straight to copying DLLs. You now run each redistributable installer as administrator, and if the package is detected, choose repair rather than uninstalling. This rewrites missing CRT files like API MS Win CRT Runtime L1-1-0 DLL. After an install or repair, reboot so Windows can register and load the updated libraries. If the installer fails or reports corruption, run sfc/scano and then dism repair commands to fix component store issues. This fixes underlying system file problems, preventing proper DLL registration. You should test the application after reboot. If it still shows the missing DLL error, reinstall the app to ensure it links to the correct runtime. Make sure not to download lone DLLs from untrusted sites. Using official redistributables prevents mismatched or malicious files. If problems persist, try a recent system restore or an in-place repair install of Windows 8. 1. To restore system components. One key troubleshooting tip. Check the event viewer and installer logs for specific error codes to guide the next fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.